Let's learn how do we prove this few log properties. So before I show you how to prove it, you need to understand this one first. 9 is equal to 3 power 2, right? 64 is equal to 4 power 3. Let's try one more. 32 is equal to 2 power 5. So these all are in index form. So if I want to change to logarithmic form, then it will be log base 3 of 9 is equal to 2. Log base 4 of 64 is equal to 3. And log base 2 of 32 is equal to 5, right? Now, let me change the way of writing this 3. Change the way of writing this 9. 9 is equal to 3 power 2. 64 is equal to 4 power 3. 32 is equal to 2 power 5. Now, what have you seen? You will notice that whenever the number here and the number here are the same, then the answer will be equal to the power. Right? So if you understand this, then let's try to prove these few log properties. Let me prove the first one first. Let x equal to a power m and y equal to a power n. So this, if you want to change the way of writing this into a logarithmic form, then it will be log base a of x is equal to m, and this one log base a of y is equal to n. Now, log base a of x, y is equal to log base a of, okay, what's x? X is equal to a power m. What's y? A power n. Since these two having the same base, so we can combine, we can plus the power together, right? It becomes a power m plus n. Now, as we did just now, when you see this number and this number are the same, then we know that the answer of this will be equal to the power here, m plus n. Then go back here. What is m? M is equal to this. What is n? N is equal to this. Now, we have shown that this is equal to this, the first one. Now, let's try the second one. Log base a of x over y is equal to log base a. Okay, what's x? A power m. What's y? A power n. Now this time this is divided. So we can change become like this. A power m minus n, right? M minus n because divide. Okay, again, you see this and this number are the same. Then we know that the answer for this whole thing is equal to the power here, which is m minus n. So what's m? M is equal to this. How about n equal to this? Okay, we have shown this is equal to this. Second properties. Let's prove the third one. Okay, let me erase this one first. Let x equal to a power k. Okay, now we know from here we know log base a of x is equal to k, right? Log base a of x power n. Now I can change x become a power k and copy the n. This is equal to a power kn, right? Now, same thing, you see these two numbers are the same, then we know that the answer for this whole thing is equal to the power here, which is kn. Now, what is this k? K is equal to this. What's n? And just copy. So I can change the way of writing this. It become n times log base a of x. So we have shown that this is equal to this. If you see a power here, you can bring down the power like this. Okay, let's go to the fourth one. Okay, now I want to prove that log base a of x is equal to this. You can change to other base. Okay, you can, let's say, for example, let me show you. Log base 2. Okay, let me use base 10 first. Let's say log base 10 of 100 is actually equal to 2, right? Because 100 is equal to 10 power 2, right? So how do we, let's say I want to change the base become, let's say 2. We can do it this way, log base 2 of 100 over log base 2 of 10. You will still get the same answer. Let me show you. Try to use a calculator to check the answer. Whether when you key in this one, you still get 2. Log base 2 of 100 over log base 2 of 10. You still get 2. Now let me show you why this is equal to this. Let log base a of x is equal to y. So if I can get y, I got the value of this, right? Because y is equal to this. So what I'm going to do next is I bring the a go up like this. A power y, right? X is equal to a power y. So what I'm going to do next is to add log base c for both sides. So here you have y. Now, applying this property, you know that the y, you can bring it down, become like this. So I bring this whole thing. This is y times this. Bring the whole thing to over here. It becomes log base c of x over log base c of a is equal to y. And go back here. Y is y. Y is equal to this. So I'm going to change the y become like this. Become this thing. So log base c of x over log base c of a is equal to this. Now we have shown that log base a of x is equal to log base c of x over log base c of a.